getting ready to paddleboard right now. You guys, you guys.
Is it
Why you have to like talk about my small ass?
Oh, it is clear.
This is patio.
It's really clear.
Patio.
Hey, is it waterproof?
Tete busuk. Queen Tete. Tete kecil.
Cover Tete.
Cover Tete.
Hey, we out here. They're over there. We're here, paddleboarding. Say hi, guys. Hi. Yeah. This is actually like the widest thing we've ever done. Dude, we're so sporty now. Dude, I'm so proud of us. Look at us. We're so cute. Look at our activities. AUX6 is so active, you guys. Look how cute they look. Aww. AUX6 taking over the beach. Today we are Orang Putih, active AUX6, out on adventures.
Abby, where are we going? Oh no!
Sila fell in! Sila fell in! Where are you guys? Look at Put steering us. Adi! What a cutie. Come on, guys! Catch up! Abby, what are you doing out there? Say hi, guys!
Hi. Baby, go with
AUX6!
Look at those pros, dude. That little 5-year-old is better.
Look at Mal, she finally caught up to us.
Oh. You fell like 3 times.
Look at all these paddle boarders. Look at Put struggling. Have we caught up to them yet?
This is fun.
This is relaxing. On the way to see a sea lion.
You think it's gonna attack us?
I don't know. Let's go. I want to find out.
Shoot,
Dude, you have to steer us.
right there. It's on the
Hurry up.
boat.
Oh my god. We have to go sideways, okay? Go sideways.
That dark thing right there.
Go sideways. Hurry. Go sideways. We have to go face on. Face on.
What if it jumps next to us?
It won't jump next to us because they were fine. Yes, they were fine. The other people were fine. Go. Go near it. But make sure you go closer.
I'm scared.
God, we are so close. Come on, Put. You got this. You better not get too close though. Okay, go. Now go straight. Go straight. But we can't even see them. But go straight more. It's too far. We can't see them. Keep going before we can't see. Oh my god.
Here we have the wild beast, Mechanism bolon, in her natural habitat.
Sound like Squidward.
Worm day.
Oh no!
We just finished paddleboarding. Everyone's done. Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna
How
go
was
to my
it?
car. Where are you
Okay.
guys going?
How was it, guys?
It was good. Awesome! We are looking forward to our bread and our food. Sandwiches!
Okay. All right.
So hungry.
This marks the end of our first AUX6 paddleboard session. Stay tuned for next summer.
More to come!